Okay, greetings everyone. It's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. So the update is no update from the last few weeks. Interest rates have pretty much plateaued. Not getting many people fixing for 6 months at the moment. That's a trend we've noticed. The people that are fixing for 6 months are because they've got plans to either sell or do something in 6 months. So that 6 month rate for a lot of people is just uneconomic to take when you've got these new 1 year rates of between 5.15 and 5.19 and that 2 year rate of 4.99. That is proving to be quite popular. And you know, I'm saying all that, and I don't know if you can see on my board behind us here, we've actually got an OCR review right there, 9th of April. So those of you that follow me regularly will know that. So we do have some people that are decided to go on floating, but with these rates, they are looking quite good now, and people just want to get on with their life. They're sick of hearing about interest rates and what's going on. There is mixed views with economists, how much they're going to go down further. We saw in the Fed in the US there today, there was no change to their OCR over there. And in fact, they've signaled that they're only going to have 2 cuts this year. Australia, that might be their one and done that they had not so long ago. So, you know, we'll just see what happens. Good news is our GDP numbers are good. Our unemployment seems to have plateaued. Inflation seems to be under control. So there could be a little cut, a 0.25 cut on the 9th of April. But like I say, nothing at this stage for us to be holding like a lot of people were in October last year and back in February this year, holding on to go on floating or leaving it to the last minute. So anyway, they're the best rates we can get you out there at the moment. And remember, that's if you've got that 20% deposit. But like I say every week, make sure you speak to an expert, make sure you get the right advice for you and your circumstances so you can make an informed decision. In terms of bank lending and what we've been seeing this week, it's been a quiet week this week. We've had a few clients put in offers. We've had a few clients that have not put in offers as well because they just don't want to pay that much for a property. And yes, I do hear all the time that it's a buyer's market, but it's the vendor that makes the sale at the moment, the person that's selling the house. Because if they don't get their magic figure that they're looking for, they ain't selling the house. So the buyer doesn't get to buy it at the price they want either. So, you know, it's I wouldn't say the market's equilibrium. It is a market for the buyers, but like I say, it's the vendors that make the decision. There's a lot of properties in Wellington that have been sitting there for a while and now are transferring to be rental properties. So there's going to be a bit of an oversupply in both properties for sale and rental properties. So that's all good for the consumers. And you know, some of my buyers see that and they say, look, with interest rates going down, with more properties coming on the market, we're just waiting for that right property to come on. History tells us though that once the Easter holidays come, it tends to slow down for new listings until spring again. Anyway, guys, that's me. I'm going to sign off. Hope you're all well. Hope this video was good information for you. Do me a favor, if you're liking my videos, if you're watching these and you've watched so far, press that like button, press that share button, because you help me win on the social media algorithms. In the meantime, God bless, ka kite, and we'll see you all soon with another video. Cheers.